Anak, mag-ipon ha, huwag upo. Familiar ba? 'Di ba, ganito natin kausapin yung mga anak natin. And we wanted our children to really save. Kaya nga nung mga bata pa sila, binibigyan natin sila ng piggy bank, right? Tapos sa allowance nila, papaalalahanan natin sila na, o anak, mag-iwan kahit na 10 pesos, 20 pesos. Basta, unti-unti man yan, pero may naiipon ka. I remember a child na napakagaling niya talaga mag-save. So every time na may pera siya, nag-iiwan siya, nagsisave siya ng paunti-unti. Pero nung tanongin ko siya, "Uy, ang galing mo naman, bakit ka nag-iipon?" Ang sagot ng bata, "Hindi ko po alam. Basta sabi ng mama ko, mag-ipon po ako." And that hit me. Because saving without a purpose can just become a habit and not financial responsibility. Hindi sapat na turuan lang natin silang mag-ipon. Kailangan alam nila kung bakit sila nagsisave. Sabi nga nila, the children should know what needs is versus wants, short-term and long-term dreams. We are saving because money is scarce. You are saving because your future deserves a choice. Sabi nga nila, financial responsibility doesn't start when they get their first job. Sabi nga nila, habang tinuturuan natin yung mga anak natin na mag-save, at the same time, we also teach them the why behind money. Because one day, wala na rin tayo sa tabi nila. Every time they make their financial decision. And we want them to be ready.